And I'm to that point. I'm there. I can get rid of this now. Then I can have my way with it. I may have been a bit too anxious to pull this receiver off. Two things have to happen first. One, I had cut it off to the proper length, and I need the trigger to measure from. On the trigger length, it starts at the front trigger and goes back. So I had to have this on there to cut it off. I have cut it off, and now I've got to make sure that my center is right. I'm going to put the barrel back on, and I'm going to look down this center rib, and I'm going to make sure that that center rib and my center line that I've drawn on here line up. And they are very close. Very, very, very close. If anything at all, and this might just be my imagination, but if anything, this is to the right maybe a 32nd or a 16th at the most. I think what I'm going to do is put a straight edge on this instead of just using my eye, but I think it's right. I have so much astigmatism in my eyes that although I'm right eye dominant, I have to use my left eye to tell accuracy. But I think it's really close. Getting this thing directly centered underneath this light. I can tell if it's symmetrical. And it's hard to do that with it laying on its side, working on this side, and comparing and taking your head and spinning it underneath here and looking upside down. I can't tell that way. Maybe somebody can, I can't. But if I can get this light centered right over the top of this thing, it throws shadows. And I can compare the lines on both sides and make sure I have symmetry. Symmetry is it's important in a stock, even though we are not symmetrical. People, we don't shoot symmetrically. If we made stocks to fit people, they would look really funny because we're right eye dominant or left eye dominant. We're right-handed or left-handed. We put it on one shoulder or the other.